Here we go. Looks really good. We got a decent setup for the most part. I wish the blind was a little bit better. And I think we can kill some ducks. Just gonna Kona! Oh my gosh. Boy, they're really liking those goose decoys. Almost couldn't get a shot just because it's so thick in here. Ooh, we got a mallard, you guys. We got a greenhead, baby. Bring it here, Kona. Okay, guys, we got one greenhead. Hopefully we can make a day out of this. I missed a teal too, darn it. I wasn't gonna shoot him, and then he swung by for another pass. I'm like, man, I just, you know, it's Thanksgiving Day, might as well just try to get some birds and get done. We got a teal that is probably gonna come in here. I had to take what I could get, but that wasn't very good just because hard with all this. I got too much brush on this thing. But we got a teal. I'm gonna start loading up with number 3s because this is gonna turn into a teal shoot real quick, especially Thanksgiving Day, and I got family stuff to get to, and I gotta cook a dish for Thanksgiving. So yeah, hopefully we got maybe we can kill some more teal while we're out here. That one came in nice and came to the decoys, so unfortunately took me 2 shots. I took 1 shot just because it's a Hail Mary. I got nothing else to do. He's so far over with this big pile of brush. I'll have to move that, I think. But Kona's bringing me a bird. Good dog. Boy, we got that one good. Little hen teal. I was hoping today would be a lot better. But it's gonna be a tough one, you guys. We're back to scratching out barely anything. Stay tuned though. We'll see if we can get you some more birds and such and make a video. Doggone it, I wasn't ready. And he floated right over us, kinda. No! It's definitely a big duck. I'm pretty sure it was a mallard. Kona. Well, we got rain. Hopefully we can get a couple more opportunities. It's pretty darn slow. Holy cow. Just smoked a greenhead right over the decoys. I was using the jerks or the spinner. All of a sudden there's a stinking greenhead right in the decoy. Holy cow. That was cool. Smoked him too. He was flying away. I'm surprised. Surprised I got him. So crushed him, man. Good dog. Drop. Good dog. It's all sandy and grody here, but look at that bird. I just love the greenheads. Are so cool. Well, we just had a good bunch of teal come by, which I got one, but they swung in so quick. I wasn't ready. It took a while. It's hard. They came in and out so quick, but I got one. So we're sitting at 4 ducks. And Kona's got it. Luckily, she's such a good dog. Except for when she doesn't want to get in the blind. That ticks me off. I had some geese that we almost could have had a shot at, but she was out running around. I couldn't get her in here. Turd. Come on. Good drop. There's our bird. Nice little green wing. And we got one to go with our greenhead on each side. It's raining though, pouring rain. Gonna have to change the batteries pretty quick too. I think there's just goldeneye. I don't even know where I'm not even on. Boy, it is soaking wet out here, you guys. I just had goldeneyes fly over me. Was maybe gonna shoot, but I passed. I don't even know if that's what they were, but it looked like goldeneye. I did not hear them whistling though. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's something else. There we go. That's how it's supposed to go right there. They fly in. I see them ahead of time. Pop up and shoot at the right time. That's 5. It's another hen teal, unfortunately, but okay. Well, this time we got a drake. Drake greenie, little green wing. The drakes are so pretty too. It's just soaking wet. I hate when it's wet. You can't do nothing. You just sit here and get soaked. I mean, I got my jacket. I'm not getting wet. My hands are constantly wet. You can't do anything. You know, lens keeps getting wet. If anything, maybe it could at least get really, really good for the ducks. That'd be worth it. Kona, come on, kennel. And we might get a bird right here. Kona, stay. Here we go. It looks really good. Pintail. I probably could have made I probably could have made a little better shot, but I got him. Boy, they are wary though. Like, he was on a beeline to here and he kind of lifted up and wasn't too sure about it. It was they're tough, man. They are smart. There's just not enough birds around. I'm hoping by the time we shoot another duck, this rain stops, because it's going to be a miserable boat ride out and everything is going to be soaking wet, even more so than it already is. Yeah, he just kind of floated right above us here. Well, not above us, but out in front of us. But I could have waited a bit longer probably till I shot, but we got him. We got him. You're such a good dog, Kona. Here. Drop. There's our pintail, and that looks to be a drake, which is what I thought it was when we shot. Not huge though, and yeah, they just don't have their color. That's all it is. I haven't shot like one greenhead, one that looked like it was a drake, one that I knew was a drake. All the other ones just look like hens, but it's obviously they're just not colored up. Maybe it's just a late year for ducks in general. That's why they're not, I don't know. It's weird. But that duck, I had to call it that bird. It looked like it was gonna land off that way and shortstop us. And so I got on the call and was lucky enough to get that bird to give us a look. Got another one that's looking, but he's not loving it. Well, we need a couple more birds. Sorry, one more bird. 3 teal, 3 big ducks. That's not bad. Woo! Hey, get up! Darn bird. Come on. Kona. Darn dog. It's gonna be just miserable getting packed up. And then boat ride out of here is gonna be awful. I guess that is what it is. We got one more bird out on the water. Just gotta have Kona go get it. She's looking for that other one that flew off. Everything has got sand on it. Ugh. Kona, hey,